So I've rearranged some things on the screen here for you to see a little bit closer how we're going to move into the next phase of adding color to our project. Using the pieces that we left off with, what we've got here are containers. We have text boxes. And then we also have what's open here on the side. From the menu bar, from window, we have both color and swatches palettes open and visible. Starting off with color, what we're going to do is define a color that's going to go inside of the circle. So using the direct selection tool, if I click on the circle, we can see that it's selected here. Biggest information that gives that away is that there is no color inside of the circle. There is a black outline. For my example, I am going to get rid of the black outline. So choosing the stroke first, bringing it to the front. I'm going to come down here to this white box with no line. You can see the prompt already saying none, no outline. For a color, I'm going to come to the upper right-hand side of the screen and define it. You can see it's checked already, CMYK color. Whoops. CMYK color. And then what I'll do is I'm going to start with a turquoise-ish color here. Switch that to the fill, bringing that to the front. And I have these slider bars that maybe I want it to be a little bit more of a greenish, like that. If this is the green I like and I plan on using it over and over again, the last thing I'll do is come to the right-hand corner here. There's a drop-down menu, and at the bottom it says Add to Swatches. Here's the color information. If I come to my swatch palette, here's that same green color down here. Here's what makes it so great. If I now come to my direct selection tool, come to this other box, grab the text box, what I want to do is affect the color of the text. Right now it thinks I want to add color to the container. That's not what I want. I'm going to click on the T for the text. You can now see both here and here it's looking at the color of the text, not the outline, the color of the text. I can come to that swatch, click right on it. I have the exact same green. Let's do that one more time, changing the color of the R here and the background here, and removing the stroke. So same steps in order. Selecting the actual container. Coming to the stroke, I can say none up here just as well. The outline is gone. It's the container I want to add color to. In this case, I'll come to color. My CMYK has already been selected here. This time, maybe I'll go to a deeper purplish looking color. I want it to be the fill of the object. Stroke, none, fill, purple, maybe like that. It's disappearing off the side of the screen here. Let me bring it off to the side here. Add to swatches. When I come to swatches, here it is at the bottom. So I can now come over with the direct selection tool, grab the text bar, make sure that text is defined as what I want to add color to, choose the swatch, and you can see now that that interplay between what is being defined as purple here and here, as well as the green here and here, makes it harder to immediately recognize these letters. Imagine further using either the same color or different colors here and here with a different font to make your project more dynamically interesting and visually complex. With that, you're ready to continue on your own, either adding color using grayscale or keeping it in black and white.